Okay, here's the thing. You're at the lumber yard and you have some starter strips. You want to tie them down. So here you get a wider view of it. You have these tie downs over here on this side. Right here. So I made a loop there and made a knot in it, and then I wrapped it one time around the starter strips. This goes for anything else that you have that you want to haul in your truck. All right, the other thing that I did was I came over here on this side and I wrapped it around here several different times. That'll hold it, and then just tie it like that. But that's a good way to tie something in back of your truck if you're hauling it from the lumber yard. In this case, it was Menards. Another thing that I did was, if you look at the end back here, I took a red plastic piece from Menards, and they have them in a roll, and so I took that and I tied a piece of string, and then I punched a hole in several different layers of that tag there, and then hooked it on. Now in Ohio, you can have it sticking out 4 feet before you have to put one of those flags on. But I put a red flag on mine just so that people wouldn't run into it, because if you have a big truck or a van or something like that and they want to pull up right up on the bumper when you're at a stoplight or something, it's better to have something there so that they can see it. And maybe it'll be breezy like it is now, and it'll keep somebody from banging into your truck or into your material.